Upon analyzing the data on excess deaths, scientists claim more than 20,000 people have died across Western Europe in this summer's heat waves. They add that such high temperatures would have been virtually impossible without what they called a climate breakdown. Scientists say the difference between the number of deaths that happened and those expected based on historical trends reveals the threats posed by climate change-induced global heating. During the summer heat wave, temperatures exceeded 40 degrees Celsius in London. Areas in southwest France reached 42 degrees Celsius, and Seville and Cordoba in Spain set records of 44 degrees. Analysis from the World Weather Attribution Group of scientists finding that such high temperatures would have been virtually impossible without the climate crisis. According to the Office for National Statistics, in England and Wales, 3,271 excess deaths were recorded between the 1st of June and the 7th of September. This marks a whopping 6.2% rise than the 5-year average. The analysis did not estimate heat-related deaths specifically, but it was nonetheless revealed that the number of deaths was higher on average for heat period days than non-heat period days. Deaths on account of COVID-19 were, however, excluded. According to data released by the French, according to the data that's been released, over 10,400 excess deaths were reported in the country during the summer months. Out of these, every 1 in 4 deaths, which numbers over 2,800, happened during one of the 3 intense heat waves that hit the country. The excess deaths were 20% higher in regions where extreme temperature red alerts had been issued. In Spain, the state-backed Carlos III Health Institute estimates there were over 4,600 heat-attributable deaths between June and August. The German government health agency estimating 4,500 people died in the country during the summer months, specifically due to the extreme temperatures. And considering the numbers, experts now say heat waves are one of the biggest threats posed by climate change. According to the EU's Copernicus Climate Change Service, the summer of 2022 was the hottest on record. A recent warning issued by the European Environment Agency saying that if nothing is done to control the ongoing climate crisis, heat waves could lead to the deaths of 90,000 Europeans each year by the end of the century. The agency added it will happen under the scenario of 3 degrees Celsius of global warming, while with 1.5 degrees Celsius of global warming, the number of deaths will be reduced to 30,000 deaths annually. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.